Hey there, space enthusiasts! Are you ready to embark on an incredible journey through our solar system? Buckle up, because we're about to explore some seriously mind-bending facts that will leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the cosmos. We're talking about the kind of stuff that makes you go, whoa, and immediately want to share it with all your friends. So gather round, get comfortable, and prepare to have your perceptions of space completely transformed. Think you know everything about the solar system? Think again, because what we're about to uncover goes way beyond the basic textbook knowledge. Forget the simple diagrams and the memorized planet order. We're diving deep into the weird, the wild, and the downright unbelievable aspects of our celestial neighborhood. Get ready for some cosmic curveballs, from raining diamonds. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine a world where precious gems are falling from the sky like raindrops. It sounds like something out of a fantasy novel, but it's a reality on certain planets in our solar system, to planets that spin sideways. We're not talking about a slight tilt here. We're talking about a planet that's practically rolling through space like a giant bowling ball. It defies all expectations and challenges our understanding of planetary formation. What you're about to hear will absolutely blow your mind. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill space facts. These are the kind of details that spark curiosity, ignite imaginations, and make you see the universe in a whole new light. Prepare to be amazed, astonished, and maybe even a little bit bewildered. Here are 10 insane facts about our solar system every teen should know. These are the facts that your science teacher probably didn't have time to cover. The ones that get buried in dense textbooks, or the ones that are simply too incredible to believe. But trust us, they're all real, and they're all waiting to be discovered. All right, let's launch in. Fasten your seatbelts, because we're about to blast off on a whirlwind tour of the solar system's most bizarre and fascinating secrets. Get ready to have your mind expanded, and your understanding of space forever altered. This is going to be one wild ride. Fact number 1. Did you know it literally rains diamonds on Neptune and Uranus? Forget gold and silver. These ice giants are dripping in dazzling, compressed carbon. It's like the ultimate cosmic treasure hunt, except you'd need a spaceship and some serious protective gear to collect any of it. The pressure's so intense, deep within these planets' atmospheres, it's almost unimaginable. We're talking pressures millions of times greater than what we experience here on Earth. It's a crushing, squeezing force that transforms ordinary elements into extraordinary substances. Carbon atoms are squeezed together, and under this immense pressure, the very structure of carbon atoms begins to change. They're forced into a tightly packed arrangement, a crystalline structure that's incredibly strong and incredibly beautiful. Boom! Diamond rain. It's a process of intense compression and transformation, resulting in a shower of sparkling gems falling through the atmospheres of these distant worlds. It's a truly spectacular phenomenon, even if we can't witness it firsthand. Diamond rain. Imagine the sparkle. These diamonds aren't like the ones you find in a jewelry store. They're likely much larger, and they're constantly being created and destroyed within the planet's atmospheres. It's a dynamic and dazzling process that makes Neptune and Uranus truly unique. Space is way more glamorous than any TikTok filter, trust me. Forget those virtual sparkles and glitter effects. The real universe is full of genuine wonders and breathtaking beauty, like diamond rain on distant planets. It's a reminder that the most incredible things are often found in the most unexpected places. Fact 2. Venus takes slow to a whole new level. When it comes to planetary rotation, Venus is the ultimate slowpoke. It's a planet that seems to be in no hurry whatsoever, taking its sweet time to complete a single rotation on its axis. One day there lasts 243 Earth days, that's right. It takes almost an entire Earth year for Venus to complete just one rotation. Imagine the sunrises and sunsets being spread out over months instead of hours. It would be a truly bizarre experience. But a year is only 225. Venus whips around the sun faster than it spins on its axis. This creates a mind-bending situation where the length of a day actually exceeds the length of a year. So, on Venus, a day is actually longer than a year. Let that sink in for a moment. You could celebrate your birthday multiple times before the planet even completes a single rotation. It's a cosmic calendar quirk that defies all logic. Imagine waiting for the weekend. On Venus, the wait for the weekend would feel like an eternity. You'd be counting down the days for months, only to realize that you're still nowhere close to Friday. It's a truly mind-boggling concept that highlights the vast differences between our planet and others in the solar system. Fact 3. Jupiter's got the ultimate weather drama. When it comes to extreme weather, Jupiter takes the crown. This gas giant is home to some of the most powerful and long-lasting storms in the entire solar system. The Great Red Spot is a storm twice as big as Earth. It's a swirling vortex of clouds and gases that has been raging for centuries. It's a storm so massive that it could swallow our entire planet with room to spare. And it's been raging for over 300 years. Scientists have been observing the Great Red Spot since the 17th century, and it shows no signs of slowing down. It's a testament to the immense power and scale of Jupiter's atmosphere. Imagine checking your weather app, and it just says stormy. For the next few centuries, you'd probably want to invest in some serious rain gear. The Great Red Spot is a reminder that some weather patterns are far beyond our human comprehension and control. Fact 4. Mercury's got no atmosphere. This tiny planet is a barren, airless world, exposed to the full force of the sun's radiation and the harshness of space. That means no air, no clouds, just a desolate landscape of craters and rocks baking under the intense sunlight. It's a stark and unforgiving environment, completely inhospitable to life as we know it. Just pure sunlight frying one side and freezing darkness on the other. With no atmosphere to regulate the temperature, Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. The temperature swings are wild, over 600 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt lead, and on the dark side, temperatures plummet to hundreds of degrees below zero. It's a planet of extreme contrasts. Literally burn by day, freeze by night. You'd need some serious sunscreen and a heavy-duty parka to survive a day on Mercury. It's a planet that truly tests the limits of what a world can endure. Fact 5. Saturn could totally float in water. If you could find a bathtub big enough, that is. This gas giant is surprisingly less dense than water, meaning it would bob like a giant ringed beach ball. It's mostly gas, superlight, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, the same elements that make up the Sun. This low density is what allows Saturn to defy gravity and float in our hypothetical giant bathtub, and would just bob in a giant space bathtub. It's a fun and quirky fact that helps to illustrate the unique properties of this ringed wonder. Bubble bath, Saturn style. Imagine the cosmic bubbles swirling around those magnificent rings. It's a whimsical image that brings a touch of humor to the vastness of space. Fact 6. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. Despite what you might see in textbooks and globes, our planet is actually a bit lumpy and misshapen. She's a little squished at the poles and bulges at the equator. This is due to the centrifugal force created by Earth's rotation. The spinning motion causes the planet to flatten slightly at the poles and expand around the middle. So, our planet's actually a bit chubby. But, hey, who isn't? It's a reminder that perfection is overrated, and that even our own planet has its own unique quirks and imperfections. Fact 7. Mars is home to the solar system's biggest volcano, Olympus Mons. This colossal mountain is a shield volcano, formed by lava flows over billions of years. It's 3 times taller than Mount Everest, making it the undisputed king of mountains in our solar system. If you were standing on the summit of Olympus Mons, you could see the curvature of Mars, and huge enough to cover all of New Mexico. That's a land area of over 121,000 square miles. Olympus Mons is so massive that it dwarfs anything we have on Earth. Next level mountain climbing, anyone? Just imagine the bragging rights you'd have if you conquered Olympus Mons. It would be the ultimate adventure for any thrill-seeking climber. Fact 8. Uranus is the rebel. This icy giant doesn't play by the rules when it comes to planetary rotation. Most planets spin upright, with their axes of rotation perpendicular to their orbital planes. They spin like tops, gracefully twirling through space. But Uranus literally rolls around the sun on its side. Its axis of rotation is tilted almost 98 degrees, making it appear as if it's rolling along its orbital path. total cosmic rule breaker. Scientists aren't entirely sure why Uranus is tilted on its side, but one theory suggests that it was struck by a massive object early in its formation. Whatever the cause, it makes Uranus a truly unique and rebellious planet. Fact 9. Not all moons are tiny. Some moons are so large that they rival the size of planets. Jupiter's moon Ganymede is actually bigger than the planet Mercury. It's a moon that's larger than a planet, orbiting a planet that's even larger. It's a mind-boggling concept that challenges our understanding of planetary formation. So yeah, some moons totally outsize planets. It just goes to show that the solar system is full of surprises, and that size isn't everything when it comes to celestial objects. And fact 10. Pluto may have been kicked out of the Planet Club in 2006, a decision that sparked controversy and debate among astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. But it's still out there, orbiting as a dwarf planet in the Kuiper Belt. Pluto may not be a planet anymore, but it's still a fascinating and important member of our solar system. Justice for Pluto, am I right? It may be a dwarf planet, but it still deserves our respect and admiration. After all, it's been orbiting the Sun for billions of years, and it's still going strong. Let's recap those 10 mind-blowing facts. Diamond rain on Neptune, a glittering spectacle of compressed carbon. Venus's crazy long days, where a single rotation takes longer than an entire year. Jupiter's 300-year storm, a swirling vortex of clouds that could swallow Earth whole. Mercury's wild temps, where one side is scorching hot and the other is freezing cold. Saturn floats, a gas giant so light that it would bob in a giant bathtub. Earth is squishy, a slightly flattened sphere with a bulge around the equator. Mars has a giant volcano, Olympus Mons, the largest mountain in the solar system. Uranus spins sideways, rolling along its orbital path like a cosmic bowling ball. Ganymede is huge, Jupiter's moon that's bigger than the planet Mercury, and Pluto still exists. Orbiting out there in the Kuiper Belt, a testament to the enduring mysteries of space. Want more mind-blowing space facts? The universe is an endless source of wonder and discovery, and there's always something new to learn. Comment your favorite planet below. Let us know which celestial body captures your imagination the most. Are you a fan of the ringed beauty of Saturn, the fiery landscapes of Mars, or the mysterious depths of Neptune? Smash that like button. If you learned something cool, your support helps us to create more awesome science content for teens. And subscribe for more teen-friendly science every week. We're committed to making science accessible, engaging, and fun for everyone. Stay curious. Never stop exploring, questioning, and seeking out new knowledge. The universe is waiting to be discovered. Rock it out, keep looking up. The next great discovery could be just around the corner.